Welcome to Seesaw. Seesaw creates a learning loop where teachers, students, and families become partners in the learning process. Let's get you set up to engage with your child's learning.
How do I get connected?
You can either download the Seesaw app from the App Store, or if you're ever on a desktop, just type app.seesaw.me in a web browser. There are 3 types of invitations you might receive to connect your child's Seesaw journal. Paper. Check your child's backpack for the handout with details on how to connect. Email. Search for an email from Seesaw with an invite link. Text. Look for a text message with a link to accept the invite to view your student's journal. The invite tells you what to do, or follow along with me. For paper invites, open Seesaw. Tap I'm a family member. Never used Seesaw before? Tap Create New Family Account. Hold up the QR code to your camera or enter the custom URL from the invite. Make sure you're connecting to your child. Tap Create Account and type your info. Already have a family account? Tap I'm a family member and sign in. On the top left, tap your profile icon. Tap Add Child's Journal, scan the QR code, hold up your code to your camera, and confirm. For email and text invites, tap the link, then create an account if you're brand new, or sign in if you already have one. Ta-da! That's it!
Who else can see my child's work?
Now hold up. Don't worry, your child's privacy is Seesaw's top priority. Your child's work is safe on Seesaw and can only be seen by their teacher, their classmates, and you. If you want anyone else to see your child's journal, like your Nana, your child's teacher can invite them. Up to 10 people can be connected, but only those people can see your child's work. There's a lot of cool ways to engage on the Seesaw app. Of course, you see your child's amazing learning. See all recent posts in Home, or click Journal to see posts by child and class. If the teacher allows, you might be able to like or comment on posts. You know kids love that. Anyone who sees your child's journal can see your comments too. Remember how I said Seesaw connects teachers, students, and families to become partners in the learning process? You can communicate with the teacher on Seesaw too. Tap on the messages icon to engage in 2-way communication between school and home. You'll get whole class announcements, and you can message with the teacher. When you need to say something to the teacher, do it here in the very private Seesaw messages. In your messages with the teacher, you can even use the Seesaw tools to add an attachment to share all the learning that is going on at home. And if your device is set to a language other than English, you'll see the option to translate typed text. Just click See Translation. Reply in your preferred language, and the teacher will see the same option. I can't wait for you to experience the power of Seesaw to engage with your child's learning and create partnerships with their school community.